So here's a Richter scale. So it's human made, okay? And every time you measure intensity of the earthquake, we measure a particular something, right? So I don't know that detail exactly what it is. You gotta ask a physicist. But we measure intensity, right? And it gives it to you in a certain. It means a particular thing. How many things happening at a certain time. And the Richter scale is the following. You get log of the intensity divided by some standard intensity. So the standard intensity is measured to be 1 micron. It is 10 to the power of -4 centimeters. Okay, so all of this, I don't really care if I'm not a scientist. I just know that that's the standard. That's the given information. How do I calculate this? Okay, look. So here's an example. 1906, San Francisco has estimated magnitude of 8.6 in a Richter scale. In the same year, a powerful earthquake in Ecuador is 4 times as intense. So what was the magnitude of the Colombia, Ecuador earthquake in Richter scale? Okay. So one earthquake is, by Richter scale, it's 8.3. And this is Richter in San Francisco, right? So I'm going to say S for intensity in San Francisco. I'm just following this formula. Is that fair? Now, they're asking for Richter scale, okay, of another intensity in Ecuador. Okay, so I'm going to say Ecuador. That's what they're asking for. So this is a Richter scale, though, if you simplify that. What they tell us, they don't tell you the exact what the intensity was. They just tell us it was 4 times as intense. So I can replace that with 4IS, can't I? Okay, so that's same thing as log of 4 log of IS S, isn't it? By log laws. That's given it. It's log of 4 plus 8.3. So what is it in Richter scale? You just gotta add those two numbers up. And log of 4 is a small decimal. So it's approximately 0.6, which means it's approximately 8.9. Okay, that's the Richter scale.
Discovery.